Hi, I'm Annie from Made by Annie and I'm here with Oliver Bonus to look at how we can love our things for longer. So today we're looking at homeware and the traditional Japanese technique Kintsugi, which looks at putting broken pieces of pottery back together again with gold to make it look even more beautiful than it did in the beginning. So a really beautiful way of fixing this trinket dish is to use Kintsugi with the gold, which will look really beautiful against this colour. So first of all, we're just going to mix the glue and the gold. So we're just going to have a good amount of the glue into the pot. We're then going to add some of this gold, and you don't want too much because otherwise it will affect the strength of the glue. So you'll just mix that in, and as you can see, it's such a beautiful colour. You then have to add more glue, which will make it nice and tacky. And then you have to be quick, but you're going to add this glue then to the dish. And if it overspills, it will look even more beautiful, so not to worry. So as you can see here, we're just going to get a healthy amount and add that along this break. And then we're going to hold it together for 60 seconds, and that effect of the gold is actually really beautiful. So that was only a really simple break, and it looks so stunning at the end. So we would love for you to share with us if you use this technique by tagging Oliver Bonus on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.